Hello, welcome to Astronautics for Exploit. This is Dr. Anyashola Ogundele. Applications of artificial intelligence for simulating human intelligence processes and performing human-like tasks. The focus points of my presentation are as follows: artificial intelligence as a general-purpose technology, and application of artificial intelligence. Since the first half of the 28th century, novelists, scientists, mathematicians, and philosophers have fascinated themselves with the concept of artificial intelligence. Alan Turing, in 1935, based on his interest in artificial intelligence, gave the description of an abstract computing machine that consists of a limitless memory and a scanner that moves back and forth through the memory, symbol by symbol, reading what it finds and writing further symbols. In 1945, Turing predicted that one day computers would have the capability to play chess, and this became a reality in 1997 when the chess computer built by IBM was used in a competition. In 1950, Turing developed a practical test known as Turing test for computing intelligence. This test involved three participants: a computer, a human interrogator, and a human foil. The astronomical evolution of artificial intelligence is leading to its various applications in different human endeavors. Some of its applications are web feeds and posts, advertisement and internet engagement, virtual assistants, search engines, spam filtering, language translation, facial recognition, and image labeling, games, agriculture, cybersecurity, finance, government, health, and a host of others. AI in healthcare is used for various purposes, such as classification, to evaluate a CT scan or electrocardiogram, or to identify high-risk patients for population health. It offers a lot of help in dosing and treatment of non-cardiac vascular illnesses. Facial recognition systems powered by artificial intelligence are being used for mass surveillance, and AI managed traffic signals using cameras to monitor traffic density and adjust signal timing based on the interval needed to clear traffic. Both international and local banks are using AI to organize operations for bookkeeping, investing in stocks, and managing properties, to react to changes when business is not taking place, and to combat fraud and financial crimes by monitoring behavioral patterns for any abnormal changes or abnormalities. Artificial intelligence as a general-purpose technology. In many human endeavors, such as industries, government endeavors, and a host of others, artificial intelligence is being used to solve complex problems. AI is classified as a general-purpose technology that has a multitude of applications. It has been used in fields of language translation, image recognition, credit scoring, e-commerce, and other domains. Illustration of artificial intelligence capability is shown in this picture. There are different types of artificial intelligence, and they have weak and strong artificial intelligence. Weak artificial intelligence, also known as narrow AI or artificial narrow intelligence, is AI trained and focused to perform specific tasks. Weak AI drives most of the AI that surrounds us today. Narrow AI enables robust applications such as Apple's Siri, Amazon's Alexa, IBM Watson, and autonomous vehicles. Illustration of stable division model and ability of a digital computing or computer control robot to perform tasks commonly associated with intelligent beings is shown in this picture. Strong AI is made up of artificial general intelligence and artificial superintelligence. Artificial general intelligence is a theoretical form of AI where a machine will have an intelligence equal to humans. It will have a self-aware consciousness that has the ability to solve problems, learn, and plan for the future. Illustration of AI model life cycle is shown in this picture. Artificial superintelligence, which is also known as superintelligence, will surpass the intelligence and ability of the human brain. Presently, strong AI is still entirely theoretical, with no practical examples in use today. In the meantime, the best examples of ASI might be from science fiction, such as HAL, the superhuman rogue computer assistant in 2001 A Space Odyssey. Application of AI in space exploration is shown in this picture. There are various applications of artificial intelligence, and some of them are highlighted as follows: Internet and e-commerce, games, agriculture, economic and social challenges, cybersecurity, education, government, astronomy, space activities and biology, finance, and earth. Internet and e-commerce application of AI. In the area of internet and e-commerce, AI is widely being used, and examples are in recommendation systems, web feeds and posts, targeted advertising and increasing internet engagement, virtual assistants, search engines, spam filtering, language translation, and facial recognition. Illustration of robots with AI capability being used for space exploration is shown in this picture. Internet and e-commerce. AI has been used in facial recognition systems with a 99% accuracy rate. Examples are Apple's Face ID and Android's Face Unlock, which is used to secure mobile devices. Image labeling is being used by Google to detect products in photos and to allow people to search based on a photo. Image labeling has also been demonstrated to generate speech to describe images to blind people. Facebook's deep face identifies human faces in digital images. Automation data analytics with 3D rendering AI robot with digital visualization for big data scientists is shown in this picture. Recommendation systems, which is also known as recommendation platform or engine, is a subclass of information filtering system which provides suggestions for items that are most pertinent to a particular user. Recommended systems are particularly useful when an individual needs to choose an item from a potentially overwhelming number of items that a service may offer. A cyborg generated by Stable Diffusion is shown in this picture. Recommendation systems are used in a variety of areas, such as generating playlists for video and music services, product recommendations for online stores, or content recommendations for social media platforms and open web content recommendation, such as Netflix, Amazon, and YouTube. Mobile recommender systems make use of internet accessing smartphones to offer personalized context-sensitive recommendations. An example of collaborative filtering based on the rating system is shown in this picture. Targeted advertising and increasing internet engagement. AI is used to target web advertisements to those most likely to click or engage on them. It is also being used to increase time spent on the website by selecting attractive content for the viewer. It can predict or generalize the behavior of customers from their digital footprints. Both AdSense and Facebook use AI for advertising. Online gambling companies also make use of AI to improve customer targeting. Various applications of AI is shown in this picture. Games are also applications of artificial intelligence. Games have been a major application of AI capabilities since the 1950s. In the 21st century, AIs have produced superhuman results in many games, including chess, Deep Blue, Jeopardy, Watson, Go Alpha, poker, esports, and general game playing. The picture here shows Mars rover having AI capability. Agriculture is another application of artificial intelligence. In agriculture, AI has helped farmers identify areas that need irrigation, fertilization, pesticide treatments, or increasing yield. Agronomists use AI to conduct research and development. AI has been used to predict the ripening time for crops such as tomatoes, monitor soil moisture, operate agricultural robots, conduct predictive analytics, classify livestock peak call emotions, automate greenhouses, detect diseases and pests, and save water. Artist's illustration of a crew outpost on Mars with AI-enabled vehicles is shown in this picture. Cybersecurity is another application of artificial intelligence. Cybersecurity companies are adopting neural networks, machine learning, and natural language processing to improve their systems. Various applications of AI in cybersecurity are network protection, endpoint protection, application security, and suspect user behavior. Machine learning improves intrusion detection systems by broadening research beyond previously identified threats. Artist's concept of Japan's Mars Moon exploration spacecraft carrying a NASA instrument to study NASA moons is shown in this picture. Economic and social challenges. AI for Good is an ITU initiative supporting institutions employing AI to tackle some of the world's greatest economic and social challenges. The University of Southern California launched the Center for Artificial Intelligence in Society with the goal of using AI to address problems such as homelessness. At Stanford, researchers use AI to analyze satellite images to identify high poverty areas. Side view of a Waymo-branded self-driving car, which is powered by AI, is shown in this picture. Education is another area of application of artificial intelligence. AI tutors allow students to get one-on-one help. They can reduce anxiety and stress for students stemming from tutor labs or human tutors. In the education process, students can personalize their training through the help of artificial intelligence. And for teaching professionals, the technology provided by AI can improve the quality of the educational process and teaching skills. A survey taken by Turin Mars rover during the 21 mission is shown in this picture. Government is also making use of artificial intelligence. AI facial recognition systems are being used for mass surveillance. In 2019, India Bengaluru deployed AI-managed traffic signals. This system uses cameras to monitor traffic density and adjust signal timing based on the interval needed to clear traffic. Artist's concept of the Phoenix Mars lander is shown in this picture. Astronomy, space activities, and ufology. Artificial intelligence is used in astronomy to analyze increasing amounts of available data and applications, mainly for classification, regression, clustering, and forecasting. Artist's concept of the starship is shown in this picture. Finance is another application area of artificial intelligence. Financial institutions are using artificial neural network systems to detect charges or claims outside of the norm, flagging these for human investigation. The use of AI in banking began in 1987, when Security Pacific National Bank launched a fraud prevention task force to counter the unauthorized use of debit cards. Illustration of Mars orbital mission spacecraft is shown in this picture. Earth is another area of application. AI in healthcare is often used for classification to evaluate a CT scan on electrocardiogram or to identify high-risk patients for population health. Microsoft AI project ANOVA helps doctors choose cancer treatments from among the more than 800 medicines and vaccines. A patient science surgical arm of Da Vinci surgical system is shown in this picture. For more information, contact Astronautics for Exploit. You've been watching and listening to Applications of Artificial Intelligence for Simulating Human Intelligent Processes and Performing Human-like Tasks, presented by Dr. Anyashola Ogundele, with the focus points: Artificial intelligence as a general purpose technology. Applications of artificial intelligence. Thank you.